I think generally, as countries grow, as your economy develops, more and more people get engaged in civic action. That is a general trajectory of the country. So I do think this space will only bloom further. The only thing that I do hope for is actually, the philanthropic ecosystem in India. We are now at a stage where a lot more people are creating wealth than is unimaginable
Yeah.
a generation before.
Yeah.
People who are doing exits now, who are, made a lot of money. They will very soon start thinking about, and many of them have already started thinking about, okay, so what next?
What next?
And what next for them will be some kind of philanthropy. But I think their engagement with institution building at this point is very critical for the country.
Yeah.
Because these are things that ultimately give long-term returns.
Yeah.
This is what keeps country on the right path.
Yeah.
So even if they have long gestation, investing in citizens' capacity
Yeah.
to engage with the government, to make sure that our cities work, to make sure that our local governments work,
Yeah.
that is where we hope, and that's what we are trying to do.
Yeah.
And even as we think about what next for us, we want to build their interest in these kind of topics and issues, because Indians have to take on that mantle. We have to decide what we want next from our country.
Absolutely.
And when we started out, there was a quote from there's this former Supreme Court judge in the US who has this very famous quote which says that the most important office is the office of the citizen. Because ultimately democracies only work when citizens push. If citizens sort of sit back, relax, and let the system, they will power will concentrate. It will go in a particular direction that you don't want it to go. Ultimately, citizens keep governments accountable. Citizens shape the ecosystem and the institutions that govern the future. And young people have a lot of energy to do that. They have a stake in the future. So I feel that our goal is to sort of see how we can sort of facilitate that.